Hey guys, we're going for community outreach, so come with us.
We're here with
Jana.
and so can you tell us exactly what this was all about and exactly about Black in Bali?
We're here volunteering our time, giving our hands to Ragam Foundation, helping them to chop, prepare, and cook food for the underserved community here in Bali. We do this once a month, typically the first Tuesday of every month. Black in Bali is a community that me and my counterparts have cultivated. Just letting people know that there's a community here you could tap into. We do community service, we throw events, we come together and have break bread, throw parties, jump on the boat, but we also want to give back to the community. We also embrace the culture here, want to let people know that there's more to do here in Bali than just partying. You know, there's locals here that we do tap into and just want to give back.
We got Valerie in there too. Everyone's chopping something. So that means I need to get my hands dirty. Okay. I need to get chopping as well. So, who are we on with?
Oh, me.
Yeah, Kunama.
Nick.
And Nick, what is this all about? What are you doing? What is the goal? What is the objective?
Okay, so right now we're at our kitchen called Bagi Bagi Nasi. Bagi Bagi Nasi means sharing the rice. And the overall foundation is called Ragam, which means diversity. And this kitchen is one of our many programs, kind of the main one. What we're doing today and what we do 5 days per week is cook nutritious meals for the many communities and childcare centers we support on a daily basis. Roughly 600 meals every day, or between 400 to 600 depending on demand of the day. Today will be around 6. What we're doing right now is the final step of today's cooking process. This legend has been cooking from the start. He's cooked. Well, right now it's the rice.
Nasi.
Nasi.
Nasi besar.
Without rice, a meal is not complete.
Never, not in Asia.
Not in Asia.
Never. Just like in Africa.
Neither South America.
So todo el mundo.
We try to
Except Europe.
give the kids like mi ayam, which is like a noodle dish, and it was really well made. It was delicious. We put so much effort into it. Served, they loved it, but they were like, "Where's the rice?" I'm like, "Oh, right."
Oh, sorry.
It's typically not a dish you eat with rice. Where it's like, "Where's the rice?" I'm like, "All right, we'll make rice." Even if I were to make spaghetti bolognese, if I don't serve it with rice, they won't eat it.
You're kidding?
I'm pretty sure.
Legit.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Maybe even pizza too. Pizza and rice.
Pizza, I think
That'll be something like
they would eat it, but they would still want
Want
rice
rice.
after. Because otherwise it's not a meal.
It's not full.
Pizza's a snack.
Story of my life.
Pizza, burgers, sandwiches are all snacks. Those are all like boule snacks.
Legit, though, literally, bullet snacks.
you know.
If there's no rice, it's not a
No.
So, speaking of rice, these are two beautiful rice cookers. They've been cooking rice for 1.5 years now. If I had to put a tonnage of how much rice they've cooked, I honestly couldn't tell you off the top of my head. About 40 kilos per day. And we've been doing it for 1.5 years.
Wow.
So, do the math.
Wow.
But
That's a
yeah,
lot.
feel free to lift.
So how do we?
It's easy. Just grab a spoon, pop it in,
Go ahead. Go ahead.
and that's it.
Oh, yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Again,
That's actually my serve average for
just
lunch. That's my lunch. Nah.
Ryan with that?
actually,
Yeah.
I would say the average expat would probably eat like that's a serving
I
of
eat
rice,
like 2 or 3 of that.
right?
Really? Oh,
This
wow.
is like a little standard bowl you might get at a restaurant here. Have you guys been to Padang places?
Yeah. Like last night,
Yes, sir.
masakan Padang.
Masakan Padang is like that's a serving, you
Yeah.
know.
Oh wow.
Bagus for Yinks.
There you
Thank you very much. So how can people find you guys?
Oh, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook at Black in Bali. Website dropping soon. You can find me on Instagram, Imani Jana, IMANIJANA 31.
Let's go. Thank you very much.